Good evening. My name is Yash, and today I'll be presenting a comprehensive analysis of healthcare, big data management, analytics, and scientific programming for the honors IA. Introduction. Healthcare systems are being digitally transformed by technological enhancements in medical information systems, electronic medical records, wearable and smart devices, and handheld devices. This increase in medical big data, alongside the development of computational techniques in the field of healthcare, has enabled researchers and practitioners to extract and visualize medical big data in a new spectrum. Big data has gained a significant attention in several fields such as healthcare applications, banking, Internet of Things based applications, imaging, smart cities, smart transportation system, and many others. The data is stored in a standardized manner to easily store, access, and retrieve the required relevant information. Smart IoT based applications such as wearable devices, electronic medical report, EMR generators, smart mobile phone healthcare systems have transformed the conventional healthcare system to a digital healthcare system. A vast amount of data is generated from these devices on a daily basis. Problem definition. The literature cited reflects that a lot of work has been reported by many researchers around the world for healthcare big data analysis. This research focuses on extracting significant features of big data and the healthcare applications of healthcare big data and state of the art techniques proposed in the healthcare big data field, which can ultimately be used for decision making in healthcare. Methodology. In this modern technological age, the information increases exponentially. Wearable devices continuously produce a vast amount of data that ultimately known as big data in layman's terms. The big data is the data whose diversity, scale, and complexity need new structure, algorithm technique, and analytics for management visualization of new insights from healthcare big data to further provide easy solution for it. For efficient and accurate disease detection, this huge data must be processed and to be examined by the caretakers, by the practitioners. Big data analytics has improved the quality of treatment by processing the healthcare big data and provides personalized medicines based on analytical descriptions. Significant work has been reported for identifying different techniques to select big data features in the healthcare. A feature may uniquely identify data and hence used to detect a specific disease. SLR was followed for the conduction of the proposed research due to the reason that it symmetrically collected, analyzed, and derived meaningful insights from the published material for the defined range of time and defined criteria, while other methods like survey don't do the same. Big data role in medical education. The researchers and teachers use big data in the medical curriculum for designing, analysis, planning, estimating, and ensure delivery of the teacher activities by enhancing healthcare education. Big data is commonly used in the medical education for improving the medical field. Medical data feature encapsulates all basic information required for diagnosing a certain disease. Features of the static astute values present in any big data systems. The research process. Significant work has been reported in many research domains using SLR. For objectively analyzing a specific problem, SLR is the alternate way to explore it. Several features exist for the healthcare big data to be analyzed critically. These analyses include regression, classification, association, data mining, clustering, and many other. Semantic analysis results in semantically see, deliver, and assesses all available and published material relevant to research questions formulated to provide a broader knowledge to the research community about a specific domain. Based on the protocol selected for conducting the SLR, the activities are classified into three major classes, includes designs of protocol, conduct the SLR, and report evidence. Steps of SLR, formulation of research questions, selection of libraries, defining the specific keywords, inclusion-exclusion criteria, quality assessment, qualitative meta-analysis and results and discussion, concept and definition of medical big data. During the last few years, a drastic change has been recorded in the field of healthcare due to the occurrence of smart IoT-based devices and global communication systems. Multiple healthcare big data sources are available globally, such as health registration data, EMR data, patient reports of imaging, CT scans, MRIs, and X-rays, biometrics, biomarkers, data, clinical, and other administrative data. The five V's of big data include volume, variety, value, veracity, and velocity. Results of the discussions. What are the most significant big data features in the field of healthcare to be analyzed? Big data has numerous features to be analyzed, especially in the field of healthcare. Some researchers use the features of blood sugar, pulse rate, class flow, coma scale, respiratory scale, chronic nervous scale, and studied and analyzed. The analysis process consists of classification, feature mining, association, clustering, and regression. How many state-of-the-art techniques developed in the field of big data and healthcare during the census 2015 to 2019? The research question focuses on describing how many novel based applications are developed for healthcare big data classification for the retrieval of relevant information. For efficient big data management in the healthcare, the researchers propose how many optimum solutions. This used data comes from many sources like industries, companies, aerospace services, and research of healthcare, smart cities, environmental changes, etc. This big data comes from imaging devices like X-ray machine, MRI, CT scan machines, and so on, IoT-based applications, electronic health reporting devices, and other ICT-based systems. These devices provide a huge amount of data. Dealing with a vast amount of data for extracting the most relevant information and its proper management is a difficult job. Different techniques are suggested by multiple researchers around the world for extracting and enriching the information from this huge amount of data and its efficient management. What are the big data analytics in healthcare? In the field of healthcare, the major goal of big data analytics is to model, predict, and inference classification, clustering, regression, and other generic approaches to be exploited. For healthcare improvements, the RUMS field classified the big data analytics into eight major classes that are mathematical model for risk avoidance and uses of resources, disease and treatment hygiene, surveillance of drug and device safety in healthcare, management of population, measurement of performance and quality care, clinical decision support and precision medicine, public health, and application of research. What are the applications of big data in healthcare and scientific programming? Big data mining and analysis has unlimited applications in many fields of daily life, such as natural language processing, medical and healthcare applications, weather forecasting, climate change, aerospace research, and many others. Implications and future directions. The proposed study has highlighted the most significant areas of research in healthcare big data analysis and answered some research questions. Further, the implications and future directions for researchers and practitioners are to explore the area further to extract meaningful insights and information from the data for the researchers and practitioners to use effective way in healthcare. Conclusion. Healthcare big data analysis and management has become a challenging task for the researchers. On-time decision making in the healthcare system requires massive potential for refining the care quality, minimize the cost of care, and decrease error and waste. Therefore, to address this issue, an ideal way is to study and report the existing literature that will help the doctors and practitioners to take better decisions in early healthcare. The detailed study will eventually summarize the results available at literature published related to big data and cardiology. Thank you.